Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I'm your host. So, I've swapped a video chip out of here. I've tested it. It's fine. We're working on a 128 that I recently got that does not answer the call. So we're swapping chips one by one by one. And indeed, we had no video. And that can be a whole lot of things. Okay, so we got the original chip back in. And it's funny how this thing, on occasion, likes to torment me. I mean, perhaps there's capacitor issues. I'm not sure. I'm going to set this over here for a second. Pop down the 4080. Switch over. Okay, we're in 80. Okay. So I think I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to bring this up here. And I guess, so I keep things straight. Somewhat straight. I will line this chip back up. Oops. It's giving me a hard time, this little chip of mine. Okay. So, that. So we checked the 8701, we checked this other video chip. Now here's a funky chip. It's one of them pretty ceramic things. And it's given me pretty much a hard time getting it out at the far end. There we go, we're out. Not the prettiest, it's very dusty. It has some sort of sticker on it, but it's not bad. An 8563 R7. Da 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 da. Okay, so I'll leave this here. Put this down. We'll get this one out. Gently, firmly, gently, firmly, gently, gently, firmly. Sometimes a little rock and roll helps. There is the witness mark pointing upwards, upwards, upwards. Put the pins in the sockets. Apply smooth, even pressure. I was not terribly impressed with that. Oh well, let's see. Okay, that came up. That's a good. We'll go out of the 4080, press the switch on the monitor, do the reset switch. Okay, go 64. Okay. So it would seem that chip is okay. It would seem. So I will work that out. I will double check everything here, looking at the pins, looking at everything, just so. And it looks okay, so we'll turn it on. And we're up. Ah, one pin got a little bit bent coming out. Not surprising. Okay. How are we doing? We're looking good in the neighborhood. Okay. Okay. So, turn this off. Now, it's a funny thing. I think what I'm going to try is this. I'm not sure. I can't read the number. 722R2. Maybe this is the new. Oh no, there's the 6502. I don't know what this is. I don't know why I'm trying it. I just decided that I would. Okay. Ta-da! See, the scary thing is, of course, there's lots of things that could be causing this that are not socketed. I would like to find the solution within the bevy of socketed chips. I would. But it doesn't mean that that is going to work out. It does not. Well, it's funny, that is very similar to what was going on when this machine would not come alive. Ooh, we might have a winner. Let's try the 40 column. I'll turn it right off. Turn it right on. And we are getting messing. So there's a good reason for that. Hold on here. Oh dear, 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 dear. Silly, 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 silly me. Oh, just put that chip in backwards. Some people would not admit that. Maybe it was in the other one backwards, because I thought. So anyway, always check the witness mark. All right. Checking the pins. They all look okay. And you know, I don't think. See, Commodore's pretty good about not having chips hurt each other when they go in. Okay. Now we're coming up okay. See, once again, is that something here? Oh, we're okay. Or do we have a capacitor thing? Okay, don't put chips in backwards. Don't put chips in backwards. Don't do it. Okay, power is off. Okay. I have not been marking these this time because I'm putting them back into the machine from whence they came. Maybe I should be, because I will never remember what's what. And it may be, in fact, I'm using a test machine that has some flakiness issues. Okay. Check the witness mark. Check the witness mark. We are in the right way. Oops. What's going on over there? Okay. We're back in. We are. All right. Well, next time we'll swap some more chips. But for now, I'm getting hot. I'm getting tired. Ugh. Still suffering from heat exhaustion. Anyway, thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. I'll see you back here in the TV room. David Bradley, I'm your host. Bye for now.